Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in Tankerton. We're taking a look at a beautiful detached family home here in Fitzroy Road here in Tankerton. This is number 31 Fitzroy Road. Now, we are located only a stone's throw away from the main parade of shops here on Tankerton High Street, and then of course a short walk onwards you'll find the seafront, the Tankerton slopes, and then of course a short distance around the corner you'll find the ever popular Harbour Town of Whitstable. Now, we're starting this tour by coming straight through into the main entrance hall, and you'll see we've got a beautiful modern decorative finish with this property. A lot of time and attention has gone into providing a wonderful modern space to entertain friends and family, and of course this property offers space in an absolute abundance. So coming through into the front reception room, you'll see we've got a lovely light and bright and airy room here. We do of course have the double doors just leading through into the second reception space, so if you'd like an even larger the reception space here at the front, that is certainly possible. Coming through here to that second separated reception space, it's currently being used as a gym, but of course you could use this quite easily as a separate dining space, reception area, whatever you'd like it to be. And that is what is so good about this property. You have such an incredible amount of ground floor reception space, and the bedrooms upstairs are absolutely fantastic as well. Coming back through into the main entrance hall, you'll see that we come into this inner hallway space, which works absolutely perfectly at separating the reception spaces down here on the ground floor. We now find ourselves in the utility room, where of course you can see we've got a beautiful modern finish, but there's a little bit of character here as well. I really like the decorative style that the current owners have got throughout this property. So of course, to have that really handy utility space is absolutely fantastic, but you do also have this really handy downstairs cloakroom as well, which is certainly what is expected in a modern family home like this. So next up, we're going to go through to what really is the pièce de résistance with this property, and that is the incredible open plan kitchen and family room at the back. The extension has created an incredible all-in-one family living and kitchen area. You can see that we have a beautiful modern kitchen which comes with a full range of fitted appliances, and of course you've got that beautiful outlook over the rear garden here, which we will be taking a look at a little bit later on in the tour. So we've had a good look at that incredible space at the rear of the property. I'm going to come back through the main entrance hall now and take a look at that double garage, which is so prominent at the front of the property. Of course, you can see here it has been properly kitted out. Of course, you've got a beautiful finish here. The flooring is wonderfully laid. The walls are ready to be used. Of course, you've got some really handy storage space there at the side as well. But this is a proper double garage, plenty of space to park vehicles, but also to store things as well. So next up, we'll go upstairs and take a look at a couple of double bedrooms, the family bathroom, and of course the incredible dressing room ensuite master bedroom. So we found our way upstairs, and you'll see the landing space here is beautifully decorated. We do of course have plenty of storage options just there on the right hand side. Of course you've got the window seat at the end of the landing there, but we come through into the first of 3 double bedrooms, where of course you can see we've got plenty of space in here for a double bed. Got plenty of space here for storage as well, and of course that lovely big window there at the front, just letting all of that natural light flood through. Come through to a second double bedroom here, plenty of space as well here for a double bed, or as a single bedroom, loads of space for a desk there as well. Plenty of space for the wardrobes and chest of drawers here too. Next up, we'll go through and take a look at another double bedroom. This double bedroom does come with an ensuite shower room as well. So of course you can see here, as a single bedroom, you've got loads of storage space, but easily you could fit a double bed here as well. We've got a lovely window there just overlooking the rear garden there as well. And coming through now to the ensuite, you can see got that lovely corner shower unit there. Got some fantastic storage options there above the loo unit, and of course the sink there on the left hand side. So next up, we'll go through and take a look at the main family bathroom, and then we'll come together and take a look at the master bedroom with its dressing room and ensuite. So here we are now in the main master suite for the property. Of course, we've got a lovely double bedroom here, plenty of space for the double bed and for plenty of storage there as well, but you've got that incredible dressing room there as well. Now the option may well be here for you to open this space up and create an even larger master bedroom as it is, but for now you've got that fantastic dressing room, which could easily be a wonderful nursery space as well. You've got that lovely feature bay window there at the front, and then of course you've got the access through to that luxurious ensuite bathroom there as well. So what we're going to be doing next is I'll leave you for a few moments to take a look at this space, and then we'll find ourselves in the rear garden, where I'll leave you for a few moments and we'll reconvene at the end to go through a couple of the property's key points. So there we have it, number 31 Fitzroy Road here in Tankerton. We've had a really good look around the rear garden, and now it's time to go through a couple of the property's key points. Now, if it wasn't already abundantly clear, this property is absolutely fantastic. We've got a real abundance of ground floor reception space with that incredible extension at the rear, which incorporates that kitchen, family and dining space. Upstairs we have 4 brilliant bedrooms incorporating the master suite with its dressing room and ensuite there as well. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this property with me today. Please do give us a call in the office, ask us a few questions, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, give us a call today to book your own free valuation.